Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious 3-bean salad. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 3 15-ounce cans of beans, green beans, kidney beans, and garbanzo beans, all drained and rinsed. Also, have ready 1/2 cup of finely chopped red onion and 1/4 cup of chopped bell pepper, plus 2 tablespoons of fresh, chopped parsley. These fresh ingredients are key to a vibrant salad. Now that you have your ingredients, let's prepare the beans. Start by thoroughly draining and rinsing each can of beans under cold running water. This removes excess sodium and improves flavor. For the green beans, gently pat them dry with a paper towel to ensure they don't water down your dressing. Once prepared, combine all 3 types of beans in a large mixing bowl, ready for the next step. The dressing is what brings this salad to life. In a separate small bowl, whisk together 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then, add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Finish with 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Whisk everything vigorously until the sugar dissolves and the dressing is well emulsified and smooth. With your beans prepared and dressing made, it's time to bring it all together. Pour the delicious dressing over the mixed beans, red onion, bell pepper, and fresh parsley in your large bowl. Gently toss all the ingredients until everything is evenly coated. For the best flavor, cover the bowl and chill the salad in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour before serving. Enjoy this refreshing side dish.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.